Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Dawn and today we are unboxing the latest Rowan Berry Box from Under the Rowan Tree. So this month's selection is May and the theme is Ikigai. So for those that don't know, Ikigai is a Japanese word that combines iki, which means life, with gai, which means worth or benefit, and it translates as a reason of being or a reason to get out of bed in the morning, a passion in life. So in this month's box we've got quite a good assortment. If you don't like spoilers, look away now. There's the little spoiler sheet, which also tells you about how to manage your subscription, because this is a monthly subscription box from Under the Rowan Trees. And on the other side there's a nice little kind of hobby interests doodle page that you could cut out and use in your journals. So going in no particular order from the sheet. So first up we have the washi tape that's been included, and the washi tape is really cute. If you can see, it has, similar to the little doodle page, lots of little hobby interest doodle items on the tape. So there's origami dogs and cats, there's a kimono, birdhouse, some yarn, bicycles, cameras, all sorts of kind of hobby bits and pieces. Hopefully you can see that. Really nice quality tape, so that's nice. Next up is the monthly calendar postcard that she always includes. Again, on theme, we've got a little origami crane there, and it's nice cardstock as usual. Let's put all these. Then we have the washi stickers. So we have washi sticker sheets, and again they're a nice thin washi paper that will kind of easily blend into your journals, particularly if you have a white journal like I do, like this one here. And again, really cute little doodles. This entire collection is doodle, very much doodle based. This is the second sheet. So you've got those repeating elements from the washi tape, which is quite nice because you could do a theme and tie it all in. Very cute. Next up we have a colouring book. I'm covering this part for a reason. So if we open it up, again, lots of cute little doodles. It's good, fairly thick paper, so it will stand up to being coloured on both sides, as long as you don't go in with alcohol markers or too heavy, I think. That's really nice. So we will come back to the colouring book. Next up, we have this lovely set of Pentel Arts colour pencils. So if you've already seen my reel or short, you will see that I tested these out already. Really nice pencils, they're really blendable. So I coloured in this little tree, bonsai tree, on the front of the colouring book, and if you can see, like the pencils blended quite nicely to give shadows and using the different colours. So they were really, really, really nice. So I was really chuffed with those, actually. The last time I had colouring pencils, oh my gosh, I was very, very young. So it's nice to have a full set to be able to play around with. I was thinking about getting some, so I'm really, really pleased that they were included. Thank you very much. Under the Rowan Trees, we like that. Next up we have the postcards that are always included. And these are on really thick cardstock. In fact, it feels a little bit thicker than before. It might just be my memory. And again, we've got these really cute little doodles, very well done. Really sweet. So this one's like umbrellas and satchels and chopsticks and lanterns, I think. Cherry blossoms, maybe. This one is lanterns and I'm thinking that's like a latte or with a cappuccino with cat-shaped foam on it, or it might just be a cat in a cup. And the little tree is repeated as well. And we've got bowls of rice with chopsticks. Really, really sweet. Very good. And this one is similar to the first sticker that was on the box. A jar with a wave in it, and I think these are pomegranates, are they? And pears, maybe? And some botanical elements. So really nice. And then we finish off, as always, with a little print. This one is Ikigai themed, and it's a Venn diagram. So you could use this, you could frame it as usual, or you could use it to kind of help mood board, plan out your idea of Ikigai, or what you want to focus on, or how to bring more joy or meaning to your life, using the prompts. So we've got what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, what you can be paid for, and then inside passion, profession, vocation, mission. So that's really nice. You could also use it as an extra large postcard because you could put the stamp there. Or is that just me? So that's it for this month's collection. We've got the postcards, the print, the colouring book, the pencils that you can do your colouring with, the washi sticker sheets, the calendar, and the washi tape. So it's a really nice box this month. They're always really nice boxes, but this month it's quite cute and doodly, and I think these elements they've got quite a broad spectrum, so you could use them for lots of different occasions, for different journals, reading journals, your normal bullet journal or scrapbooking or whatever it is you do. So I hope that's been interesting for you, and that you subscribe for our Rowan Berry Box. If you do, please do use my discount code, which is Dawn10. I'll put it up on the screen. And that gives you 10% off all of your orders, not just the subscription boxes, but also any order on the site. And just for transparency, I do get a little bit of commission off each sale. So, we're both making savings. It's all good. I hope you are having a lovely day, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.